This button updates from the server with zero JavaScript written. One HTML attribute. Developers are calling it the future of the web. Here's the uncomfortable part. This is exactly how the web worked in 2005. And that's not an insult. It's the whole story. Round 1. The old web. PHP, Rails, Django. The server rendered every page, and every click meant a full reload. Around 2005, Ajax changed that. Little background requests that swapped just one piece of the page. jQuery turned it into a lifestyle. Half the web ran on it. If you were there, you already know where this story is going. Round 2. The browser takeover. In 2013, React said, "Forget pages. We'll build the entire app in JavaScript, keep the state in the browser, and demote the server to a JSON vending machine." And it worked, but the bill came due. React plus React DOM, 45 kilobytes before your app even exists. A real single-page app, hundreds. State now lives in two places, server and browser, with an API layer whose only job is keeping them in sync. 5 moving parts to update one number on a screen. Round 3. The U-turn. HTMX is 16 kilobytes that let any HTML element make any HTTP request and swap the answer, which is just HTML, straight into the page. 3 attributes: where to send it, what to replace, how. One real company rewrote their React app in HTMX, 67% less code, 255 dependencies down to 9. And it's not alone. Rails did this with Hotwire, Laravel with Livewire. Then the twist nobody talks about. React shipped server components, rendering on the server. Again, the framework that moved the web into the browser is quietly moving it back. Now, what the fans won't tell you, the comment section already did. No JavaScript is marketing. HTMX is JavaScript, you just didn't write it. Swapping raw HTML into your page means injection is your problem. Sanitize or get burned. Optimistic updates, the instant feel of a like button, much harder without client state. Job boards still say React, not HTMX. And for truly interactive apps, spreadsheets, live maps, collaborative tools, the browser still wins, and it's not close. So, the real lesson isn't HTMX good, React bad. It's that the web doesn't move in a straight line. It's a pendulum. Server to browser, browser to server, roughly every 10 years, and each swing keeps the best piece of the last one. The one skill that survives every single round is the boring one. HTTP, HTML, the fundamentals every framework eventually rediscovers. So, which era did you start in? PHP, jQuery, React? Tell me in the comments and follow. Next time the pendulum swings, you'll see it coming first.